visual. Transmitting coordinates now. I'm going down. Grab hold of this!
Ben, get Titan to Pontypandy Island fast, or we'll have a massive fire on our hands.
On my way! But I've got no one to operate the water cannons!
Leave it to me.
I've got just the firefighter for the job.
That was close.
I'm really sorry, Penny. I pushed the Joe Jet's controls right up to the max. This is all my fault.
Well, Hannah, I think it's best if you don't tinker with grown-ups' inventions. Especially if it's one of your dad's.
Aye?
So, it looks like your police helicopter will be a perfect fit with the rest of the team.
It certainly feels like that, Sam.
What?
Get off, you floppy bounder!
Are you all right, sir?
Yeah, but 1 second. Get. I'm fine. Yes.